Hi friends, welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 147 points, that is 0.18%, and settled at 81,053 points. Nifty 50 is up by 41 points, that is 0.17%, and settled at 24,811 points. Bank Nifty is up by 300 points, that is 0.59%, and settled at 50,985 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is up by 400 points, that is 0.69%, and settled at 58,844 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 32 points, that is 0.17%, and settled at 19,099 points. Zen Technologies Ltd, a leader in defense simulation technology, proudly announces the latest Indian patent grant for its innovative trigger sensing system, a crucial component of the Taxim registered trademark symbol range of products. This patent, granted on 22 August 2024, marks the 17th patent awarded to the company in the calendar year 2024 and the 7th in the financial year 2024-25. The Adani Group is looking to reduce debt by paring promoter holdings in group companies like Adani Power and Ambuja Cements. The promoters are looking to sell 5% stake each in Adani Power and Ambuja Cements. At the end of the June quarter, promoters held a 72.71% stake in Adani Power and 70.33% stake in Ambuja Cements. Comments from the Adani Group are awaited on this story. With this negative news, stock reacted negatively in today's session. BAIL said in an exchange filing that we are enclosing. Here with a copy of the press release titled, BAIL Reswiss orders worth 695 rupees crore. Fedbank Financial Board of Directors has been approved to raise up to 2,500 crore rupees through non-convertible debentures. Company said in an exchange filing. Nucleus Software Limited announced on Thursday that it will conduct its buyback of its equity shares worth up to 72.4 crore rupees. Shares, though, have declined over 5% following the announcement. Nucleus Software said that it will buy back up to 4.48 lakh equity shares of face value of 10 rupees, which amounts to 1.67% of the total equity. The buyback has been fixed at a price of 1,615 rupees per equity share. GAIL, India, and Petron Scientific Inc. have inked a memorandum of understanding to jointly explore setting up of a 500 kilotons per annum bioethylene plant along with its downstream units in India, based on bioethanol produced in the plant in a 50-50 joint venture mode. In line with the MoU, GAIL and Petron will jointly undertake feasibility studies to ascertain technical viability and financial prospects of the project. Both the parties endeavor to secure investment approval from their respective management for investment in the project and forming a JV company. Homegrown FMCG major Dabur India on Thursday said it will set up a 400 rupees crore manufacturing plant in Tamil Nadu's Villupuram district, marking the company's maiden foray into the south. The new Tamil Nadu plant is to help Dabur scale up its South India business, which currently accounts for around 18 to 20% of its domestic business. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.